What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can use to start to make $100 a day. And we're starting right now. So $100 a day is actually pretty achievable. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how you can start to make money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, $100 a day, I'm going to show you 5 different ways on how you can do this. So, the first one is with eBay dropshipping. Now, if you don't know much about eBay dropshipping, I'm going to link a card right there in the right hand corner, so go through and watch that. It's going to be a training on how you can get started. But what we essentially do is find products on retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or if you're in England, you can use Argos, Domu. There's so many different retailers you can use, but what we essentially do is just find products over on here, sell them on eBay, and every time you sell that product, you take that money which the customer has just paid you, go and buy the product on your retailer's store and have it shipped straight to them, not touching anything and keeping the profit. Really, really simple, and you can start this with literally no money. And if you want to learn more about eBay dropshipping, then just click that card in the right hand corner. Now, the second way that you can start to use to make $100 a day online is by selling courses. Now, you probably have some information in your head which someone will pay you for. And if you haven't, you can still go and learn that information and then make a course on doing so. You can literally make a course on anything and then go and sell that, and it's really easy to make courses these days. All you would have to do is have a screen recording software like I'm using now, make some videos, put them into a course, sell them on Udemy. Now, to get to that $100 a day would actually be pretty easy. If you're selling a course for $10, you would only need 10 people a day to sign up to make that $100. And if you have multiple courses, that is really realistic and quite easy to do. Now, if we go to categories, just here on Udemy, you can see all these different categories which there are courses in. So if you know something about personal development, design, marketing, lifestyle, as you can see, there's even courses about pet care, home improvement, gaming. The list goes on. So this is a great way to make $100 a day, and with this way it is actually quite passive. You just make the course once and then sell that course. So that's the second way. The third way is becoming an affiliate or starting affiliate marketing. Now, there's multiple ways that you can do affiliate marketing. There's multiple marketplaces that you can use. The most common is ClickBank, which is here, because it's really easy to sign up. You can grab your link straight away and start doing some affiliate marketing. Now, you might have to learn some new stuff to actually do this, but it is definitely worth doing because you don't have to create a course, you don't have to speak to customers, you don't have to do any of that. You just sell someone else's product and you make a commission for doing so. Now, another great marketplace like ClickBank is Jvzoo. Now, this is free to sign up with as well. There's a lot of softwares on here, internet marketing courses, some really good products. But the one thing I do like about Jvzoo is that once you've made a few sales and you've got a little bit of a record behind you, you can then get approved for instant commissions. That means every time you sell someone's product, bam, you're going to have that money directly into your PayPal. So that's my fourth way to make $100 a day. No, sorry, third way. My fourth way is becoming a freelancer. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking you don't have any skills to do freelancing, but this is freelancing, but not as you know it. This is freelance arbitrage. Now, with Upwork, there's jobs posted on here every single day that people want to get done. What you can do is actually get that job and then completely outsource it to someone else. So if we go to here, the search bar, if we click down and we go to jobs, I'm just going to show you how you can find jobs. And then if we now click search, so that's going to pull up a list of jobs. Then what you want to do is come over to here, filters. Just let that load for a second. Then we're going to click this, like that. And then we're going to go here to fixed price. Now, as you can see, there's over 31,000 jobs available at a fixed price. Now, let's just get rid of that. Now, if we scroll down, we can see all these jobs available. Now, obviously, you would have to sign up for an account to do this. And to get your first few jobs, it's going to be a little bit tricky, a little bit hard. But once you've started to get some history on the platform, you'll find it a lot easier to apply for these jobs. Let's have a little look and see what jobs are available and see if we could outsource it. So let's go to page 2. Scroll down a little bit. Problem replacement. Translation from German to English. You could probably outsource this one. $150. Probably on Fiverr. Let's find a different one. Create ad. Chemistry teacher. Link building. So this one you could easily outsource. So you could do this one with Fiverr. Let's go to fiverr.com. We want link building. So let that load up for a second. We'll just click in here, link building. Link building. Search. See what that pulls up. Now let's have a little look. So right away I can see that there's quite a lot of sellers on here we could use. We'd want to go to here, so best selling. That way we know that they have a good track record and they would get the job done. So if we scroll down, we can see £4.10, £4.10, £4.10, which is $5. So you could actually get this job done for $5 over on Fiverr and you would have $95 profit. You can easily do a couple of jobs on here a day and get that $100 a day. Now, if you're liking this video, leave a comment down below letting me know, because that way I can do more videos like this in the future. Anyway, that was my fourth way. My fifth way is using Fiverr and selling social media marketing skills. Now, most people know how to use social media these days. If you don't, you can go and learn it. But this is a real easy way to make $100 a day being a social media manager. This job is in high demand and there's a lot of companies out there that want you to do this for them. So if we scroll down, have a little look. As you can see, I will be your ongoing social media manager. £369, £156, £61, which is actually $100. So this is a service which is in really high demand. Now, if you don't know much about social media management, you can easily go over to Udemy, which I showed you before, take a few courses on social media management, learn those skills, then come and sell your services. because as you can see, you can actually charge a lot for doing so. Now, with these clients that you get, if they're happy with your work, you can then get them on a retainer where they're paying you each and every month to manage their social media. So this is number 5. This is really good. You can easily make $100 a day with this. You can easily make $2,000 to $5,000 a month with this. And I know a few people that actually do. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stackinprofit, and I'll see you again soon.